My name is Shalay Willis Butts, and I am the Philly Reading Coaches Coordinator. Today, we are discussing Philly Reading Coaches, an out of school time early literacy program funded by the Office of Children and Families. Our objective today is to provide an overview of the Philly Reading Coaches program, also known as PRC, and to guide you through becoming a reading coach. How is this relevant to you, your work, and the constituents you serve? PRC's mission is to tackle the issue of substandard literacy rates among our city's children. We want to make reading a fun experience so that our children are less intimidated and more inclined to participate. Everyone can make a difference, and through PRC, you will be empowered to take action and further impact your community. The Philly Reading Coaches program is one method implemented by our OST providers for integrating evidence-based early literacy strategy in their programs. The focus of PRC is to strengthen children's literacy skills in grades K through 3 using a child-guided approach. The program is based on Start Making a Reader Today, or SMART. SMART is an evidence-based literacy model originating in Oregon in 1997, whose participants have a 95% increase in literacy development, a 97% increase in reading pleasure, and a 94% increase in confidence in reading. We hope to replicate that success in Philadelphia through PRC. Why is PRC important? We've seen the fluctuating stats of the reading levels of our children. Only 15% are reading on grade level by the time they reach fourth grade. Through PRC, we are creating an opportunity to improve the necessary skills to impact student success in the classroom and beyond. Research tells us that students thrive in one-on-one settings, and that is what we offer through PRC. We also know that access to books is an indicator of school success. So we ensure that all of our participants are surrounded by books, both on site and by providing them with books that they may take home. Motivation plays a central role in literacy development. Lastly, research tells us that young children who enjoy reading choose to engage in literacy tasks more often than children who do not. As a result, motivated readers become more skilled readers. And that's our goal. And that's where you come in. How does the program work? PRC trains volunteers and pairs them with K through 3 students and provides them with fun, child-guided, one-on-one reading experiences that help build reading skills and motivation. Our volunteers, or reading coaches, read to their students read to them, they take turns reading, they play games, review flashcards, or have general conversation. The most important thing is the bond between the student and reading coaches that will, over time, foster a love of reading. Participating students are those enrolled in OST programs at select schools. The program lasts for the school year, roughly 7 months. Children receive at least 30 hours of reading time and 25 books to add to their at-home library annually. Students read for 1 hour twice a week. We ask that our reading coaches commit to at least 1 hour weekly, but many sign up for more. During the reading session, reading coaches help their students select books from their OST library. You do not need prior teaching or tutoring experience to participate, just a passion for reading with young people. You also must be at least 16 years old to volunteer. We provide you with training through our active reading orientation and access to other resources to help you develop your mentoring muscles. As a Philly Reading Coach, you are a mandated reporter and will be required to take that training if you have not done so already. Documentation. Our out-of-school time programs are licensed by the state and require the following from all staff and volunteers. Background clearances, such as your PA criminal, PA child abuse, an FBI criminal or signed waiver if you have lived in Pennsylvania for 10 years or more, and the National Sex Offender Registry verification. Additionally, the following verifications must be on file before service begins. verification of your age in the form of an ID, passport, or birth certificate, verification that you have received an education beyond the eighth grade. This could be in the form of a transcript, diploma, degree, or a report card if you are still in high school. A health assessment with a negative TB test completed by a doctor or nurse practitioner. Lastly, 2 non-family references attesting to your suitability to work with children. Basically, a letter that says, yes, you are awesome with kids. Should you become a Philly reading coach? Well, Lisa says you should. Lisa, one of our wonderful 2024 reading coaches, says, do it. It's very personally satisfying. You're making a difference in the lives of children. What could be more important? And it's fun as well. You make a difference to the children, but they make a difference to you. I leave there feeling good about myself. It's such a good symbiotic relationship between the student and the coach, and it's about connection. It's community and connection. That's what it's all about. And I think if somebody's on the fence about applying and feeling, oh, I want to do more for kids in Philadelphia, this does more. Thank you, Lisa. We have pictured some of our current reading coaches, their reading buddies, and one of our dynamic site coordinators in the top right corner. Don't they look so happy? So what are you waiting for? Get in the game and become a Philly reading coach. Thank you for taking the time to view this e-module. For more information and updates, please visit our website. You may also reach out to me directly by email or phone. Please share your feedback and ensure you get your certificate using the options below. Enjoy the rest of your day.